So the first item is a piston kit for a Cummins QSK 60 natural gas engine. It's a FCD piston, which is ferrous cast iron. The cylinder liner we've offered for a number of years. That liner is unique in that it's got a nitrided and ID, so it's got some superficial hardness to it. The liner comes with a shim. That's a sacrificial shim that Cummins uses on this application. The piston kit, the 408-9506 is the Cummins part number. We include the piston rings in our kit. Because it's a gas piston, you can see the large cutout combustion bowl on the top of it. Like I said, it is a FCD piston, ferrous cast ductile, so it's cast iron. You can see the massive cooling galleries that Cummins puts in that piston to keep the crown cool. You can see the holes on either side of the pin boss here. Those are the holes that the oil is introduced to from squirters on this piston. And some of the high horsepower diesel and this particular piston actually has two sets of squirters that inject oil on either side of the piston. The smaller holes to the sides there, those are the drains. So oil gets injected into those large holes. It circulates behind the ring pack, and what that does is it takes heat out of that area of the piston and rejects it down into the oil.